Tips for choosing the right agency for custom HVAC websites. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses in every industry, including the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning sector. A well-designed website can serve as a powerful marketing tool, helping HVAC companies attract new customers and effectively showcase their services. However, creating a professional website that accurately reflects your brand and engages your target audience requires expertise and experience. This is where custom web design agencies specializing in HVAC websites come into play. In this guide, we'll explore key tips for choosing the right custom agency for your HVAC website needs. Define your goals and requirements. Before beginning your search for a bespoke agency, it is vital to outline your goals and criteria for your HVAC website carefully. This is the first step in the process. Before you begin your search, you need to make sure that this is completed. It is important to take into consideration the features and functionality that you desire, such as the capacity to conduct business online, internet-based booking systems, and forms for service requests. In addition, it is of the utmost importance to ascertain the target demographic that you aim to communicate within the message that you want to send through your website. If you have a crystal clear picture of what you want to accomplish, it will be a lot simpler for you to find a company that can meet the specific needs that you have. Research custom agencies specializing in HVAC websites. It is essential to select a web design agency that has previous experience working with HVAC companies because not all web design organizations are created equal. It is recommended that you begin your search by researching companies that specialize in the construction of websites for HVAC companies. It is important to look for companies that have a substantial portfolio of previous work in the HVAC business, since this displays their depth of knowledge and their capacity to provide outcomes. Additionally, reading reviews and testimonials from previous customers can provide significant insights about the reputation of the agency as well as the quality of the services they provide. Assess technical expertise and capabilities. It is necessary to have technical experience in web design, development, and digital marketing in order to create a website that is tailored to HVAC needs. You should evaluate the technical capabilities of possible agencies as well as the technology that they employ when conducting your evaluation. Check to determine if they have a strong understanding of responsive design, the best practices for search engine optimization, SEO, and the integration of tools and systems that are provided by third parties. Inquire about their experience with content management systems, CMS, such as WordPress or Drupal, as well as their ability to provide continuous support and maintenance for your website. This is a vital question to ask yourself. Consider design and branding. The way your HVAC website is designed is vital in determining how people perceive your brand and captivating the attention of site visitors. Search for a design studio that specializes in producing designs that are not only visually beautiful but also user-friendly and in line with your company identity. In order to evaluate the quality of their design work and determine whether or not their style is compatible with your preferences, you should look through their portfolio. To ensure that your website will stand out from the crowd and leave a long-lasting impression on visitors, it is important to pay attention to things such as color schemes, typography, images, and general aesthetics. Communicate and work together to evaluate the situation. It is impossible to have a successful web design project without effective communication and collaboration between all parties involved. It is important to select a company that places a high priority on maintaining open and honest communication throughout the whole design and development process. You should look for companies that are attentive to your inquiries and input, as well as those who take the time to understand your goals and objectives. Take into consideration the possibility of conducting preliminary consultations or meetings with prospective agencies in order to evaluate their mode of communication and ascertain whether or not they are a suitable match for your team. Investigate the costs and benefits. Although the cost of the service should not be the only criterion considered, it is essential to examine each agency's pricing structures and evaluate the value they offer. Request price estimates from several different agencies and evaluate the various pricing packages and service options they provide. You should be aware of agencies that offer prices that are much lower than average, because this could be an indication of a lack of experience or quality. Instead, you should concentrate on selecting a company that provides services of high quality and tangible outcomes at a price that is comparable to other competitive agencies. When determining cost, aspects such as the extent of the work, the timeline of the project, and ongoing assistance should be taken into consideration. Obtain references and recommendations from others. Before making a final choice, it is important to inquire about references and suggestions from previous customers of the customs agency that you are contemplating working with. Request that the agency provide you with a list of references or case studies that demonstrate their work with HVAC industry businesses. Please get in touch with these references and inquire about their previous experiences working with the organization, the quality of the services they provided, and the outcomes they obtained. In addition, it is advisable to obtain references from colleagues or peers in the sector who have had great experiences with bespoke agencies for HVAC websites. Come to an end of the topic. Choosing the right custom agency for your HVAC website is a crucial decision that can impact the success of your online presence. By following these tips and conducting thorough research, you can find an agency that aligns with your goals, requirements, and budget. Remember to prioritize expertise, communication, design quality, and value when evaluating potential agencies. With the right partner by your side, you can create a professional and effective website that helps your HVAC business thrive in today's competitive market.